Hello, guys. It is Kate back with the Earn Network, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace for all your crypto investments. We are backed by top investors such as Marana, Viat BTC, DFG, Marsdao, Shima Capital, and we've partnered with many prominent projects to create staking pools for their communities. As of now, we have over 6,000 active stakers and we are supporting over 80 assets. You guys have accumulated a total of 900,000 in rewards so far. And thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 4.2 million in staked value. Once again, I would love to show you how you can earn multiple rewards across different chains by staking an asset with us. And the asset we're going to go through today is FLOKI. Let's scroll down, view all. Okay, should be somewhere here. There we go. All right, let's click view and head on over to the FLOKI staking pool. We got it. The first thing that, of course, we have to do is connect our wallet. Let's click up top here on the right side and then connect our MetaMask wallet. And we are in. Okay, in the performance section, as always, you guys have your available balance of the given token. We have almost 100 FLOKI. Okay, when we scroll down, you guys will see all the rewards we have prepared. Now, in this one, there are two specific requirements. The 30-day reward, you guys do have to fulfill a campaign. You can check everything out, click how to get it, and everything will be described for you. And then for the 10-day reward, you guys have to have a holding of 100,000 earned tokens to be eligible to receive it. So keep note on that. Okay, let's scroll back up and stake some FLOKI. Let's stake maybe 88. Whoa, not 188, 88 today. Okay, you guys can also play around with these arrows or click the max button if you wish to stake all of your tokens. Then you have the lockup period over here, preset days. Maybe let's do 365. I always make these match, but today maybe let's do it a little bit different. Or you can play around with the slider and choose the days yourself. Of course, as you will see in the rewards summary, the longer your lockup period, the more rewards you will earn at the end of it. Okay, let's click stake on the bottom and confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. FLOKI, approve, and wait. And we're done. Click hide, and you can already see in the performance section, your staked amount has changed to 88 FLOKI tokens. The redemption date has also changed to the lockup period, which we chose. Okay, if we scroll back down one more time, we have a change in the reward statuses. You can see we're already earning on 3 rewards, which is fantastic. If you guys want more information, of course, expand these tabs, read everything, or hover over these little question marks. They do provide you with more information as always. Scroll back up. If you wanted to stake more, you can also do that. If you wanted to extend your lockup period, you are also able to do that. And if you wish to unstake, which we do not advise, you can do so right over here in the unstake tab. The full guide for that is in our white paper linked in the description to this video. Once your lockup period is over, your rewards will be available over here in the claim section. Now scroll up and click this green button on the top right and click My Investments. And this will take you straight to your dashboard where you could see all of your staked assets. Nicely earning for you. Now you see FLOKI, which we have just staked. You can click view and we're back in the FLOKI staking pool. Very easy, very simple, straightforward, user-friendly. And remember, once you have staked, your tokens are safely earning on the smart contract as always. Back on the main page, let's quickly scroll through all of our top crypto gems on which you can earn yield. There is something for everybody, I am sure. And as always, at the bottom, you guys can check out our white paper, our token, and any articles or updates that we have prepared for you. Click this little button on the bottom and contact our customer support. If you guys do have further questions or would just like to have a chat with us, you are welcome to do so. We would love to hear from you. That is it for this one, and I hope you have fun staking your FLOKI tokens. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.